Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete apps on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Start by navigating to the home screen where the app you want to delete is located. Tap and hold the app icon until the icon starts wiggling. If you are using an iPhone with iOS 18 or later, the apps will begin to jiggle and a small X or minus icon will appear on apps that can be deleted. For apps that can be deleted, tap the minus icon or X that appears in the top left corner of the app's icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to delete the app. Tap Delete to confirm. This will remove the app from your iPhone and all its associated data. Once you have deleted the app, tap Done in the top right corner or press the Home button if your iPhone has one to exit the jiggle mode. If you find that you can't delete an app, make sure you don't have restrictions set up under Screen Time. Check, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap iTunes and App Store purchases, then make sure deleting apps is set to Allow. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete apps on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.